Hello everyone, so we are back again with another informative video for you all. Friends, since we all are going through this tumultuous time because of the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, hence here is a heartwarming video by our dear faculty members to boost your spirit and motivate you to do the best in this time. So first we have Deepshika ma'am and Sangeeta ma'am who will be telling us about healthy mental space and how to deal with loneliness versus quarantine. So sit back and enjoy.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and strong. I know that you are taking utmost care to be safe and keep your family safe, but at the same time, abreast of all this, it is also very important to keep your mental space healthy and positive. Okay, I do understand that young people like you, young minds of you, you are habitual of spending time with your friends in lively environments, in the classrooms and in canteens, celebrating birthday parties, and it can get a little hard for you to get stuck at your homes and in one place for all these months together. I recommend that you consider this time to be blessing in disguise, and you have to make it happen. How will you make it happen? You will make it happen by following your hobbies. You can spend good quality time with your family, have good food, do meditation, do yoga, and register yourself in online courses. There are so many e-learning platforms available, and along with that there are so many other things which you can do. Maybe you like to cook. If you like to cook, just cook. And if you like to draw something and participate in the competitions. There are so many competitions which are going on. Our own university actually is providing so many platforms for that. If you like to write, just polish your skills, okay? And getting registered in some courses can also help you in building up your resume and will keep you engaged for a longer period, okay? So there are so many options which you can do for keeping yourself engaged, because if you are engaged, your mental space is occupied in some productive things, and that is important. So I recommend that you keep yourself engaged in positive activities, not in the social media handles all day or in the phones and PUBGs and all those games, but in the productive activities. So this will help you out, and at the end, when everything gets normal, when the lockdown gets over, everything gets normal, you will have explored your potential, and you will have maintained that state of mind which is required at this tough time.
Hello students, hope you all are staying safe at your home. Actually, this COVID, or you can say this Corona time, has become very scary for all of us, and this continuous news of COVID cases and continuous visuals on the television are really disturbing. You can continue your academic process, or you can say you can enhance your knowledge and skills during this lockdown, and this lockdown is the golden period during which you can enhance your skills. And there are various online courses available on the UGC portal like Swayam, MOOC and National Academic Library, in which you can enroll into and you can enhance your knowledge. And at the same time, there is provision of credit transfer also. If you do certain courses and get this certificate, then that credit will be transferred to Amity. Apart from this, Amity is also organizing various these webinars with the various academic and industry persons. So I request you that all of you please join these courses and enhance your knowledge. Apart from learning, staying healthy is the most important thing. So for staying healthy, we are like Amity University is running a online yoga program that you have to join, and you can do your yoga from Monday to Saturday. And apart from this yoga courses, what you can do that you eat healthy food, you can do breathing exercises, and what you have to do that you have to boost your immunity, and that can be done by eating healthy food. So for now, you have to say bye to your junk food like pizza, burger, etc., and you have to eat homemade food. And I request you that you learn certain kind of cooking also, so that you can prepare your healthy food on your own. This is kind of request that you please help those who are underprivileged and those who are less privileged than you in your own capacity. This is the duty for all of us to help this disadvantaged group. And finally, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to record this message and convey this message to all of students. Thank you again, and stay safe and stay healthy at your home.
These were some enlightening words by our teachers amidst this corona pandemic. Next we have Deepak sir. He will going to tell us about how China's GDP is ever increasing and what India needs to do in its part to improve our GDP.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Deepak. I prepared this video to support our Prime Minister initiative, that is Be Vocal for Local. When we compare the GDP of China, both the countries were having same GDP in 1980. But now Chinese GDP is more than 5 times as compared to India. Why it's happened? Because the Chinese people, they support their local brand. Therefore, if you want to improve our GDP or economy, you have to purchase local product as much as possible. To support this mission, I am giving some general suggestion to you that you have to follow. My first suggestion is that while purchasing the product, your approach should be at 360 degrees. It means you have to look at agriculture sector, dairy industry, cottage industry, then retail industry, hospitality, and of course not to neglect technology also. Then my second suggestion is that while purchasing the product, you don't have to focus on the end product. You have to focus on the different components which were used to produce the end product. If the used components are imported components to produce the end product, then our purpose will not fulfill. And also be aware that made in India product, it does not necessarily mean that it is owned by Indians. Therefore, while purchasing the product, you have to see who is owner, where is owner, and where actual profit is going. In this way, we can help our country, and it is the pure economics for helping the people where you are living, and also to raise the standard of living of the people. And therefore, it is kindly request to you to support our Prime Minister initiative, that is Be Vocal for Local.
Afterwards, we have Sneha ma'am. She will going to tell us about student engagement and its importance, and a very interesting thing like 3 P's which we need to focus during this corona pandemic.
Hello everyone, very good evening. I hope you all are doing fine this time and you are keeping safe. Student engagement, which is very important this time, because many a times it is seen that students get demotivated and they are anxious about certain things which are prevailing this time. All I want to say is that please be positive, stay calm, stay happy. I want to focus on 3 P's which are very important. The first is priority. P is priority. You need to prioritize certain things which are really important this time. Second is productiveness. You need to think and find out the things which are productive this time. Third is proactiveness. You need to be proactive. Before certain things, you need to see that yes, what is more important for you to do and what is not. So do not waste your time. Keep yourself engaged. Keep yourself motivated. Stay happy. Stay calm. Jai Sai Ram.
We all know time is very precious. So Renu ma'am will going to tell us about how we can utilize our time amidst this period of corona pandemic.
Hello students, hope you are safe and healthy. We all are in a lockdown conditions and staying at home and having plenty of time, and I suggest you that this time you can utilize in a productive manner, in productive activity by joining the online guest lectures, webinars, joining the online UGC courses, etc. And in that way you can utilize your time. Thank you. Be safe and healthy.
Afterwards, Rachna ma'am will tell us about what is the importance of webinar and why we students should actively take part in these webinars. And we all know during this corona pandemic, we all are surrounded by some kind of negativity. She will also going to address us about how we can remove this negativity from our lifestyle.
Hello students, As you all know, we all are amid an extraordinary situation emerging out of pandemic COVID-19 and consequent lockdown. With the unprecedented lockdown, everything has come to an abrupt halt, and academics is not an exception. Because of this forced enclosure of the educational institutions, the entire education system is utterly disturbed. But e-learning has emerged as the most effective option for both students and teachers. These are the new world for teachers as well as students. As you all know that MITI is organizing webinars on regular basis to bridge the gap between industry and academia. This allows you to share and learn knowledge through videos with famous and renowned people all around the world. Now these webinars, they offer more benefits, such as they are very cost-effective learning tools. Then they have greater flexibility. They are very flexible. Even you can record these webinars. Then it also encourages interaction with the anonymity. Then these are the effective learning experiences. Then wide variety of lessons you can learn. Then extra courses you can learn. You can broaden your skills as well as understanding the field of your interest, and they are very easy to use. So I suggest you to do yoga and meditation daily. Please take out some time out of your stressed lifestyle, and at last, please follow the guidelines of Government of India. Stay safe, stay healthy and happy. Thank you.
So guys, by now you have come to know how you can keep a positive and a healthy mental space while being at home. And not only that, you have now come to know that how you can really enhance your knowledge using webinars conducted by MITI. So guys, let us see one more important issue that you might be facing during these crisis moments is depression and anxiety. Let us see what one of our brilliant faculty, Dr. Chittaranjan Kumar, has to say in dealing with depression and anxiety.
Dear all students of MITI University, I Chittaranjan Kumar, the faculty of MITI Institute of Organic Agriculture, wish you all a bright career. Keep your tension, anxiety, depression away from you and your family members by making a U-turn in your career path with the help of your very interesting daily routine works. You can do regular morning exercises, regular online classes, regular interactive discussions, recording of your regular scientific and moral speeches, developing online skills of product making, value addition, developing computer skills, and developing your hobbies and music skills.
Guys, do you like listening songs? If yes, then you should be doing more in these times. Here's why.
Music has a strong power to heal all kinds of wounds and make your mind healthy, completely free from anxiety and depression. Also, it is the best time to study many books, write many articles, and develop patriotism for our beloved nation.
Guys, one thing that I really want to tell you is that during the making of this video, one of our faculty has sent us a creative video with a musical message dedicated to all students of AIOA MITI. Let us just see that.
इंसाफ के डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा नेता तुम्हीं हो कल के। इंसाफ के डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा।
So guys, wasn't it a great musical message for you all? It is definitely. So guys, do you know which is the most precious currency? No, not dollar or euro, it is time. Now let us see what one of our faculty, Dr. Kansha Singh, has to say about the usage of time in a constructive way.
Hello students, I hope you all are safe and healthy at your respective homes, because we are in the midst of this lockdown situation, so we need to stay healthy and safe. Apart from this, we should boost our knowledge and we should develop our academic excellence, and for that e-learning is a fantastic option. we should join some of the online courses provided by the SWAYAM, MOOC, etc. Apart from this, I urge all the students who are preparing for the competitive examination and for higher studies to utilize as much as time which you can utilize, because you are getting ample amount of a time which you don't usually get in your normal days. Yes, the hardest part of this is that we aren't together, but till everything resumes, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
So guys, now we have got some advice how to use your time effectively. Now, the question is in what ways can you use it constructively? One such way is learning new skills. Now, let us see what one of our brilliant faculty, Mr. Abhishek Shukla, has to say about ways of learning new skills.
Good morning to all the students of AIUA Literally Club. I would like to appreciate Literally Club for conducting such activity. During the challenges of COVID-19, our students can do few activities which can improve their skills. All the students are going through NTCC internal presentation. You can always make some good quality PPT and present to your respective faculty members. In this manner, you can improve your presentation skills. Second very important thing, in AIUA and in MIT University, lot of webinars are conducted by top-notch officials on user-friendly platforms. You can not only attend that, you can always make some notes, ask questions, your question will be answered. Also, a lot of corporates are offering online training programs. Some are free, some are being paid. Depends on your choice. You can always attend those particular programs by which you can have the cutting edge advantages as compared to most of the students which don't have. We also know after the challenges of COVID-19, the situation won't be the same, but all the students of AIUA can have the different skills which can improve their enhancement. Thank you so much.
So guys, you have now got some advice on how to learn new skills. So why don't start from today? So guys, we are moving towards the end of this video, and before we do this, we would like to devote some few lines for our beloved nation. Let's have a look.
सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, दोस्ता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
So with this beautiful patriotic song, we have come to the end of our video. On behalf of my team and entire club, I would like to extend my gratitude to our dear teachers for sparing out their valuable time in making these productive and informative videos. I would like to thank my team members for dedicatedly working on this video to make it informative and to bridge the gap between teachers and students in these hard times. I would also like to thank our viewers for watching this video, and we hope you have learned something from it. Do like and share your valuable feedbacks with us. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Take care of yourselves and your family members. Stay safe, stay healthy.